Hi, I'm Lee Johnson and I'm the inventor of the demolition and lifting bar. I invented it to make my life as a carpenter and joiner easier, quicker and safer. I'll show you how. As you can see, using a normal bar to take up floorboards, for example, is an awkward, time-consuming job. You have to bend down, go across the joists in order to lever up the boards. Using the roughneck demolition and lifting bar makes the job easier, quicker and safer. There are many other uses, for example, removing plasterboard, breaking pallets, removing roof laths, lifting heavy items such as slabs. So again, the roughneck demolition and lifting bar can be used for lifting up floorboards, removing plasterboard, lifting heavy items and breaking up pallets. So as you can see, the roughneck demolition and lifting bar is a very versatile and useful bar. In addition to the application shown, the roughneck demolition and lifting bar can be used for removing door and window frames and any other general demolition work. Roughneck demolition and lifting bar is now manufactured by Olympia Tools and will be distributed as part of their well-known professional roughneck bar category.